All right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 16-in-1 charging organizer. As you can see, this is a little tower charging brick. We got 6 full power outlets, 3 USB-A's, a USB-C. You can charge a lot of devices in one. Just company logo on the top, power strip tower with USB on the back with the sticker. Here, ultra small size, strong power, Type-C, PD 20-watt fast charge, surge protection, rotating extension cord, and overload protection. Nothing here. And a little bit about the dimensions and the Type-C output, Type A output, etc. So let's cut these seals and check this out. So as we open it up, love the green box. It's just my favorite color. Slide this one out, and that's it for the box. So we have a little instruction guide here as well. And then this is our actual charging tower. Very, very cool. Wow. So has a nice cable there, and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's how it's a 16-in-1, because you could literally plug in 12 different items to charge at one time. Now, a lot of people may think that 12 items at once charging could be a bad idea. That's why this has overload protection. And basically, if you're just charging devices like iPads and watches and stuff like that, it should be perfectly fine. So, little power button on top, which is nice. It actually clicks. Love, love, love that. And then a USB-C out, 3 USB-A's, and then 12, 6 here and 6 here, full size with surge protection outlets. And then also this can rotate, so you can have it this way, you can have it this way, whichever way you may need it. It's good to go. And even the bottom has some nice grip, so it's able to kind of stay right where you put it. Very nice. So that should essentially do it for this 16-in-1 charging organizer tower. Very great product. Perfect for a college dorm. Perfect for your room if you have a lot of devices to plug in. And it's going to keep everything surge protected and overload protected, so you shouldn't have anything to worry about. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Really enjoy their smart accessories. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.